You're watching Feral Fabrications.
Hello the internet, welcome to another episode of Feral Fabrications. We have had a slight name change, we're still working this out as we go along. Welcome to this week's episode, which I like to call Safety Underpants. So to race in this series, we've had to purchase some extra safety gear, and that's what we're going to talk about today. And funnily enough, the first thing we're going to check out, and I have right here, is the safety underwear. It is fully flame retardant. It has to meet a SFI specification. So let's open it up and check it out. I will not be modelling this. There will be no nudity in today's episode. So the first thing we've got here is a balaclava. As you can see here, it's got the SFI specification on there to show that it meets the requirements. So this will just go on underneath the helmet, just like that. The next one is some socks. The final item is top and bottom. So once again, got the logos. This is size XL. I'm not going to try these on the internet, but just going off the size of them, it looks like they'll fit all good. So that is the safety undies. So this get-up was supplied by Motorsport Racewear in Christchurch. I purchased the stuff through Trade Me, which is New Zealand's version of eBay or Craigslist if you're watching from the States. The price tag for this was the best price I could find for all of this gear in New Zealand. So the price for the top and the bottom was $173, and the price for the balaclava and socks was $49 each. We're also going to talk today about the overalls, gloves and boots we have to wear as well. So this stuff come in a box, supplied by Cardwell's in Auckland. This was the best price kit I could find for the overalls, gloves and boots. It was a package deal. All up it was $598 with free freight to the door, so that's cool. So let's go ahead and check it out. This looks like the foam that you put on a fuel tank to stop the fuel sloshing around, but we probably won't try that, but interesting. Okay, so this is a double layer suit. So because this is a national series, we do require the 2-layer suit. I did used to have a 1-layer suit just for club racing, which is okay just for anything that isn't a national race event. But because what we're entering into is a national race event, that's why we've had to up our game in terms of the safety overalls and safety undies. We've got some Hoosier stickers. Here are the overalls. Let's try them on and see if they fit. Here we are, guys, testing out fitment of the suit. It's a size XL. I'm about 5'10" and 90 kgs on a good day, but I think it fits pretty well. It's got a nice belt to accentuate my beer gut, which every real man needs. Anyway, there it is. So we'll move on and check out some of the other items. So there we are, guys. Shoes fit pretty well. I did want quite a tight fitting one, just so that we want to have pretty good control on the brakes and stuff. So my toe's pretty much right at the end. I was pretty happy with how they fit. Did just go off the sizing chart, measured my foot, and then ordered the ones that had the closest size. So pretty pleased with that. Gloves, here they are. So you can see once again, Cardwell's, all part of the kit. Got the same SFI logo on there, which is cool. So that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Feral Fabrications, out.